This is a short screencast on how to connect your Minecraft Classroom mode to your Minecraft Education Edition. Now, we followed instructions to get to this point, either from here or something similar. And I've opened up Classroom mode and I'm logging in. My password is the same as my Wi-Fi password for school. I've logged in as I would using very similar to my Google account, but here I'm adding the @ms.cas.edu. So I log in. And as that is logging in, I'm also coming to Minecraft Education Edition, tapping on play. I will tap on either a world that I have or through the library. I can tap on the world that I'd like to enter, tap host. As that is loading, I come back here and I'm going to tap on copy here. I swipe back. I tap the slash key, which is the same as the question mark key. Now here I'm going to delete that backslash because as I paste, I notice that there's already a backslash, and that's something that happens, so just be aware of that. I have made a connection to the server. If I check, I now see that here in classroom mode, I can see the entire world, I could see the student, player roster, and I can chat and even type messages and access controls. Thank you for watching this short screencast. Please reach out if you need any further support. Thank you. And have fun!